Most people know that sound travels fast, but how fast exactly? At around 20 degrees Celsius, sound moves through air at 343 meters per second, or about 1,235 kilometers per hour, almost 10 times faster than a supercar. If you shout across a 100-meter football field, your voice reaches the other end in just 0.29 seconds, faster than the blink of an eye. And if sound were a marathon runner, it would finish 42 kilometers in about 2 minutes, while the fastest human on Earth still needs almost 2 hours. But here's the interesting part. Sound doesn't travel at the same speed everywhere. In water, it moves at 1,480 meters per second, about 4 times faster than in air. In steel, it reaches 5,960 meters per second, nearly 17 times faster. That's because molecules in liquids and solids are packed closer together, allowing sound energy to pass through much more quickly. And the reason we see lightning before we hear thunder is simple. Light travels almost 1,000,000 times faster than sound. Sound is fast, but in the world of physics, there's always something moving even faster. And these speeds reveal more about our universe than we realize.